A single late payment can stay on your credit report for up to 7 years, and that's one of the fastest ways to tank your score. One mistake can cost far more than people expect. By the end of this, you'll know the 8 biggest credit score killers and how to avoid them. First, missing payments. Payment history makes up 35% of your score. That's the biggest piece. If your credit card due date is the 15th, and you miss it, lenders can report it once it's late enough. Set autopay for at least the minimum, so this never happens. Second, maxing out your cards. This is called utilization. If your card limit is $1,000 and your balance is $900, that's 90% utilization. High usage tells lenders you might be overextended. Staying under 30% helps. Under 10% is even stronger. Third, applying for too much credit at once. Every hard inquiry can shave points off your score. 1 or 2 isn't usually a big deal. 5 applications in 1 month looks risky. Space them out. Now, the next few hurt people without them even noticing. Fourth, closing old credit cards. That old card may be helping your credit age and total available credit. Closing it can shorten your average account age and raise your utilization at the same time. Fifth, carrying collections. Unpaid medical bills, utility bills, or old debts sent to collections can drag your score down hard. Even small balances can do damage if reported. Sixth, ignoring errors on your report. Wrong late payments, accounts that aren't yours, or balances that should be zero happen more often than people think. Check your report regularly and dispute anything that looks off. Seventh, co-signing for someone who misses payments. If you co-sign, their debt becomes your problem too. If they're late, your score takes the hit right along with theirs. Eighth, only paying the minimum while balances keep growing. This keeps utilization high and increases interest costs. A $2,000 balance at high interest can take years to clear with minimum payments alone. Here's what this means in real life. Credit damage usually stacks. A missed payment plus high utilization plus a new loan application can hit harder together than any one thing by itself. Quick recap. Pay on time, keep balances low, and protect old accounts. Those 3 alone prevent most credit problems. Your next step is simple. Open your banking app today, check your utilization, and set up autopay if it's not already active. If this helped clear things up, like the video and subscribe for more practical credit tips.